Now at 6:32, the fate of the Oxford High School shooter's father could be in the hands of the jury by the end of the week.
Well, prosecutors are expected to rest their case against James Crumbley today. Then it's up to the defense to mount its case against charges of involuntary manslaughter for his son's attack.
And 7 Action News reporter Peter Maxwell is joining us live right outside the courthouse in Pontiac with the most recent testimony and a breakdown of what we can expect as this trial shifts to the next phase today. Peter?
Well, jurors are expected to be back inside the courthouse at 9 a.m. today. That's when court is expected to resume in the case against James Crumbley. And with the defense expected to start their case today and calling their witnesses, one of the big questions still remains, could James Crumbley take the stand? During Tuesday's trial against James Crumbley, the prosecution focused on access to weapons and how James reacted after the shooting had occurred. James Crumbley could be seen wiping away tears as prosecutors played a surveillance video of the Oxford High School shooting to the court. Several witnesses on Tuesday were called by prosecutors, including the man who spotted the Crumbleys after they went on the run. James and Jennifer Crumbley were found hiding at a Detroit warehouse.
The parents of the shooter that are running away, they're here.
Prosecutors pointed out while the Crumbleys were on the run and trying to lay low, they were found with a lot of cash, but could not invade the massive law enforcement effort to find them.
To exit that, you have to pass by the door of where they were hiding, and so that door was open so you could see the mattress.
Prosecutors also putting their focus on the access to weapons in the Crumbley home, saying it was too easy. Also playing video to the court of James Crumbley being interviewed by police, talking about the other guns in the house and the safe combination where the other guns were located.
I'm completely open, and I want you guys to do what you have to do. I mean, 0, 0, 0.
Detectives then discussed what was found in the shooter's room during a search of the home after the shooting.
The targets that I described earlier, they're visibly been used. They had bullet holes in them, multiple bullet holes in both of them. That was on the wall right next to the bed, the shooter's bedroom.
And James Crumbley could face up to 15 years in prison if convicted. And the judge in this case says she expects this case to wrap up by the end of the week. Reporting in Pontiac, and Peter Maxwell, 7 Action News.
Thank you very much, Peter, for that live update.